We're going to make some sparkly festive tree earrings on Sophia the Hobbit Crafter. Let's start with some green glitter. Add some UV resin, stir it up, and then gently place it in the mold. I'm going to use my silicone stick to kind of even it all out. Then I'm going to use my heat gun to get rid of the bubbles and hit it with UV light. Next, we're going to make the star part of the earring, the stud. We're going to take some gold glitter and resin and mix it all up. Pour it into my little star mold. Heat gun, cure it with some UV, and we have these cute little stars. I sanded the back a little to make them more flat. Oh, these turned out so cute. For the tree to have some ornaments, we're going to pull out some larger glitter. I use gold, red, blue, and silver. I just use a little bit of UV resin on the tree and then put the glitter on top of it. Kind of moved it around, and then I hit it with some UV light. To finish the tree, I covered the entire thing with a clear layer of resin to make it beautiful. Oh, this turned out so pretty. I love it. It's so sparkly. Okay, we need the star to go on top of our tree. So first let's drill a hole in the star. This way it can dangle. Using UV, I'm going to add the back of the stud, and then I'm going to use gold jump rings to connect it all together. And now we're done. We have some beautiful, sparkly, festive tree earrings to wear for all of our holiday stuff. I wore these and I've had so many compliments, and it's even better because I can be like, I made these. And then people are always shocked. They're like, you made these? And I'm like, yes, and I love them. And they're like, I want some. And I'm like, okay, hold on. And then I end up making more, but it's okay because they're beautiful. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.